In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email as an attachment in Yahoo. This is a handy way to share a full message, including its formatting and headers, as a single file. It's especially useful when you need to forward an entire conversation for record keeping or support requests without copying and pasting. First, open the email you wish to attach. Make sure you have the message fully open in Yahoo Mail so you can see its contents on the screen. This ensures you are capturing exactly what you want to share. Next, look for the More button in the top toolbar. It's the one with 3 horizontal dots. You'll usually find it near the reply and forward options. Click that to reveal more actions for the message. Choose Print from the menu. Don't worry, you are not actually going to print anything. This is simply the quickest way to convert the email into a portable file. When the print dialog appears, change the destination or printer to save as PDF, depending on your browser or operating system. This menu might be labeled Destination, Printer, or something similar. Select the option that says Save as PDF. This tells your computer to create a PDF version of the email rather than sending it to a physical printer. Click Save and choose a location on your computer. Pick a folder you can find easily, like your desktop or your documents. It's a good idea to give the file a clear descriptive name so you can recognize it later, especially if you have multiple attachments to manage. Once you confirm the location and name, finalize the save. Now, return to Yahoo Mail and open a new Compose window. This is where you'll create the message that will include your email as an attachment. You should see a blank draft ready for you. Click the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. This opens a file chooser on your computer. Navigate to the folder where you saved the PDF, select it and confirm. You'll see the file begin to upload. Give it a moment to finish and look for the file name to appear in your draft, usually below the subject line. That's your confirmation that the email has been successfully added as an attachment in PDF form. At this point, you've converted the original message into a PDF and attached it to your new email in Yahoo Mail, keeping the content intact and easy to share. Thanks for watching.